Jack here from Nutrablend. Who hasn't heard of Nutrablend?
We got scientists you got, man. It's still new one facility, but it keeps on growing bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah.
So you're the CEO, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are hugely famous, man. Great formulators, great factory. How many countries do you guys manufacture for?
Oh, man, it's crazy. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger all the time. Yeah, from Middle East, China, everything, you know, it's really, I think.
And America and Canada.
America, Canada, all into Latin America, so yeah, really good.
Oh, man. Well, I caught up with you at the Eyes Ascend conference.
You did.
And you loved our product back then, but what about now?
Well, this is what I mean. Like, I think there's just huge improvements coming to the product. You see it from the mixability standpoint. I said to you there was a little bit of grittiness. Completely done. You know, I think the chocolate now, which is obviously pretty hard to do. Pretty good.
Pretty damn good.
Very, very clean, brother. Very clean. Congratulations.
No way it's not whey?
No way it's not whey.
Protein for everybody?
Yes, absolutely. I need some samples. That's it. We're going to get the R&D lab working on it.
Awesome, man. I'd love to work with you, brother.
Yeah.
Love to work with you.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So, I mean, the positioning, as you know, is like that protein for everybody.
Yeah.
We're not a vegan brand. We're not a dairy brand, but we happen to be vegan and dairy friendly.
Yeah, I mean, that's great. That's the position that you want to have over there, that this is, you know, an alternative or a better alternative from there. You're not positioned to that consumer. This is great. This is how you get your protein.
Right in the middle.
Absolutely.
I like to say, and though it's a little bit different now, with the Robert F. Kennedy Jr., we're the independent
There we go.
of the protein world.
Yeah.
Oh, he's now on the Trump side. But anyway, something unique and different that's
Really good. And that's what people are looking for. You obviously know with sustainability standpoint, you're going to obviously keep the taste, the profiles, everything.
Yeah.
Way better than your whey.
Yeah, and also with that no bloat. So especially with the females, you're having something that doesn't have that lactose or allergen aspect, zero bloat, but it tastes good.
Absolutely. No, congratulations, brother.
Thanks, brother.
Get it.